Huobi Global Crypto Staking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Huobi Global are in the description. Huobi Global offers a robust staking platform that lets users earn rewards on a variety of supported cryptocurrencies, including popular ones like Ethereum, ETH, Polkadot, DOT, and Solana SOL. The platform provides a simple way for both beginner and experienced users to stake their crypto, offering flexible staking options that fit different risk profiles and investment goals. Huobi's staking platform allows users to easily stake tokens with no minimum balance requirement, and rewards are distributed regularly, typically every 7 days. The annual percentage yield, APY, ranges from 3% to 15%, depending on the asset and staking conditions. One of the key features of Huobi Global's staking is its staking pool, where users can join and pool their assets to increase potential rewards while benefiting from professional staking services provided by Huobi. For those who prefer flexibility, Huobi allows users to unstake their assets at any time. But note that staking rewards are subject to lockup periods, depending on the token. The platform ensures high security standards, with multi-signature wallets and cold storage to protect your assets from potential hacks. Additionally, Huobi's user interface is intuitive, making it easy for both new and experienced users to get started with staking. Huobi Global's staking platform is best suited for users who are already active in the Huobi ecosystem, as it offers seamless integration with the exchange's wallet and trading features. It's also a good option for those who prefer a centralized exchange with a long track record in the crypto industry. However, staking on Huobi means you won't have direct control over your private keys, so users must trust the platform with their funds. Overall, Huobi Global is a solid option for crypto investors looking to earn passive income through staking in a secure, regulated environment. If you're interested in exploring Huobi's staking services, check the links in the description and start staking today.